Yay, my new rug just arrived. Okay, let's unbox it and check it out, guys. Okay, so let's take a look and open it together. It comes in a nice zippered pouch. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, and it's two-sided. Okay, this is awesome. This is the one side, and then this is the other side. And it feels very, it feels quite nice and thick. It's cotton, it's a woven cotton. I love the tassels on the end as well. And one of the things I really like about this rug, it's machine washable. So I'm going to use it in my kitchen, in my bathroom, maybe even a hallway. If I wanted it somewhere where there was a lot of traffic, like a hallway, I probably would put a non-slip rug under it just so it didn't move, but it's beautiful. Might even take this to our cottage. So pretty.